Hey guys, Daniel with BTR Outfitters. So today we're going to go over another cap. The market is flooded with these caps, guys. I mean, you've got cheap, you've got mid-range, you've got high-end. This is Rough Country's cap. They've kind of added some little bonus features, but they've stuck with a traditional overland cap. So I'm going to flip the camera around. We're going to go over this guy. It's going to be kind of a short film because, I mean, you can only beat a dead horse for so long. But let me flip it around and see what we got. All right. Get the camera up here. All right, so here's what we're looking at. Basic cab height. They do add, this is a nice feature. So our last cap, the OVS cap, it's more squared off, more blocky looking. These guys come in and they give you a nice curve right here, as well as the curve to the cab, so it contours to the cab a little nicer. Coming onto the side panel, so you have exterior MOLLE panels. Super beneficial for you guys that utilize MOLLE panels and things like that. Of course, full gold wing doors on hydraulic shocks, heavy duty latches, super secure. You have your back hatch, integrated third brake light. So another thing, let me scoot over here. They give you a little bit of a sportier rear look with that rear fin. Of course, you still have the same glass, forward and backwards for vision. Same side as the other. Come back around here. So icebreakers, super awesome. Heavy duty latches. Pop this up. So on the interior, guys, you get the option of hooking up MOLLE panel in here as well. But they also make, a lot like the RSI cap, they make storage bins. So they make actually like a toolbox style setup that'll bolt into the sides on either side. And they make them with a MOLLE panel back or a shelf, split shelf system for extra storage. Getting up here, looking at our hinges. You got a 3 hinge point. Everything is internal. So more secure, better features than an external style hinge. These are your latches, of course, down in your hydraulic shocks. Come around back here. Got back here. It does have the integrated third brake light. And then one thing further these guys do than the other guys don't is they integrate in a actual LED light. These are just like some of your other modular caps. This is a 6-piece system. The front cap, natural, still has a window, but it is not a slider. So as you can see, guys, from where I'm standing right here, I'm going to flip the camera back around. Oh, there you are. So this is my truck, 21 Trail Boss. I do have the deck system as well as the cargo glides on top. I can reach in. Super awesome feature. So accessibility is key. You can reach things in these. I mean, naturally my truck is a factory height. I haven't lifted it or anything over what factory does. So I still have the room or the height to where I can reach in. If it was lifted, it'd be a different story. So price point, guys, I've seen people post that you can get a RSI smart cap for like 3,200 bucks. I would love to know that because I haven't seen one. Price point on this is going to be below the smart cap. It's going to be it's going to be priced around the same as the OVS, but I feel like you pick up a lot better quality with this cap, and you're getting the same style but a little more quality, a little bit more thought process into it, a little bit better accessories, a little bit more options, I should say. So with that being said, give us a shout. Price one out for you. Right now they have a very select inventory due to the fact of this cap hasn't been out for very long. So they're still producing different models, different trucks. I know they have the Chevy half ton, they have the Dodge half ton, the Ford half ton. I think they have a Tacoma in a 5 foot and maybe a 6 foot. They have a Gladiator. But after talking to my guys at Rough Country, they actually told me they were planning on producing several different models. It's just time, trying to hurry up and wait type game. But nonetheless, give me a shout. Let me see what I can do for you. As normal, like, subscribe. If you have a question, comment, throw it down in the bottom there. And yeah, we'll see you next time, guys.